correct.
Are you the same Ernesto Ayala who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2017 CR 5199 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on September 18, 2017 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
We are proceeding with the revocation today on or about the 6th day of December 2022 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Ernesto Ayala, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? State.
Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive the remainder of the violations alleged in the motion to remove adjudication.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court would find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
The defendant has agreed to 7 months state jail.
That is our agreement, Your Honor, and we're asking the court to give him credit for all of his back time.
All right. Are you asking? Y'all are very loud over there. Court report, everyone, here's the thing. I try to make everybody's job as easy as possible within reason. To make the court reporter's job easier, if everybody will whisper, because she has to take down that everything that everyone's saying, and it makes her job difficult when people are talking. What I've discovered is when we're not on the record, everybody is very quiet. You could hear a cricket. But when we're on the record, everybody talks louder. So if everybody could just keep it at a lower level to make her job easy on this Monday. All right, Mr. Ayala, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Ayala, if you could raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Ernesto Ayala.
All right, Mr. Ayala, I'm not the person who placed you on probation. The previous judge did. Is there a reason why you have not been successful on this probation? I see you have the tattoos with the praying hands and the family on it.
I also have a letter for you, Judge. I don't know if it's fine.
Oh, any objection?
No objection.
No objection.
Oh, I will. Do you want to read it? Or you want me to read it? Is this the letter that's different from what y'all agreed to?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's okay. Let me read it then. All right, thank you. So what's his criminal history? Have you been to, we're starting with music. Have you been to prison before?
I have not, Your Honor.
What's your criminal history?
The only charge is the only one I have in my criminal history.
State, is this the only criminal history he has?
Your Honor, what I can see, that is correct, Your Honor. He does not have any prior felony convictions from what I can tell.
So do you have any felony convictions ever?
No, ma'am. I have speeding tickets and my name on it.
All right. Did he go to ISF? Because I see, and state, thanks for looking it up. I see where he was requested to go to ISF. Did he do that?
Judge, I believe what we did complete was
Oh, yes, ma'am. I did.
intensive outpatient.
Was it outpatient or inpatient? Because,
Outpatient, I did do it.
okay, ISF is usually,
Patient.
yes.
No, intensive outpatient.
Oh, yeah, that was the classes that I was doing.
Okay. So how long has he been in custody?
Your Honor, I believe he's got 141 days credit.
So he has 141 days on this possession less than a gram case?
Yes, Your Honor. That's the information given to me this morning.
And that's just for the motion to revoke.
I'm not sure, Judge. I thought that was the total.
Okay.
There's not a vision that's in the fire. It's not the under coming in.
Do you have any children?
No children.
Okay. Who do you live with?
I live by myself with my girlfriend.
Does your girlfriend have children?
No.
All right, I can do one or two things. I can extend you. But if I extend you and if you don't do well on your probation and you come back before me, the state, who knows, they may not be offering the time. And honestly, whatever time the state offers you, this agreement that you come up with, motions to revoke, the court does not have to follow those agreements. This is a contract you have with the court. It's not a contract that you have with your attorney or with probation. Do you understand? Probation, do you want to weigh in on whether or not the court should extend him and continue him?
Your Honor, the probation's recommendation was to extend 14 months and impose the status condition followed by aftercare and the ISP supervision upon release.
All right.
And for him to complete a cognitive behavioral class.
All right. So I can extend you, but if I extend you, do we need to do a new tap or no?
Yes.
All right. So you would do your tap evaluation in custody, and how old are you?
I'm 23 now.
All right, so you're 23 years old. And I know with regards to 23-year-olds, they think, oh gosh, I just want to hurry up and be done with things. Let me move on. Let me go to prison, do my time and be done with it. But this is me talking to you and telling you that there are issues with your life and you make your life more difficult when you have a felony conviction on your record. Your life is difficult when you have a deferred adjudication on your record. When I first started practicing as a defense attorney, deferred adjudications were great. Employers didn't ask about a deferred adjudication. Now they do, because now they know. So your life is already a little bit difficult because you have this on your background. But if you end up having a felony conviction on your background, it's going to be even worse for you. And with felony convictions, that means that you can't vote and you have to re-register and you can't vote until you're off paper, right? So that'll be out there. That's another issue. There's an issue with serving on juries. There's all these other issues that come into play when you have a felony convictions. If you decide you want to go to college, there's an issue with getting finances for college, school loans. There are all these issues that come with that. And it also comes with maybe renting an apartment. So it's completely up to you. If you want to, I'll follow this agreement you have with the state for your 7 months. You get whatever credit that you serve, you get that. That's an easy route. If you want to be extended, I will extend you. They're going to do a TAP evaluation because there's an issue with you when you don't answer hotlines and you keep missing tests. That means that you're probably using. And you need to, the praying hands that you have, you need to really look deep inside yourself, because outwardly people can do praying hands. They can be like, I found Jesus, whatever they've done. They can say that. But at the end of the day, if you're not honest with yourself about what your problems are, there's nothing I can do to help you. There's nothing probation can do to help you. Then that means you're wasting my time, wasting probation's time, and you're taking up a slot that somebody else could have. So if you want to, I will extend you. They'll do a TAP evaluation, but either way, you're going into somebody's inpatient treatment, because what's your drug of choice? And don't just tell me marijuana. Be honest with yourself. It's more than marijuana because we're here for possession less than a gram.
Oh, I mean, do I have a right to say what I have to say about?
Oh, say what you want to, no, I'm not,
At
here's.
the time, I was really just selling it, get some money on. I don't do none of that.
Mhm. Well, obviously you're doing something because you're not doing the UAs that the court is requesting. So if you want to take the easy route, people say it's the easy route, but in the long run, it's not. I'll give you conviction. You'll go off to the state jail facility. They're not going to release you from the Bexar County Jail. They will still process you through the state jail facility. Who knows what can happen? But that's how it will happen. And then when you get out, you'll have a felony conviction and you're going to find your life very difficult, more than it is so now. It's completely up to you, but you're 23. So you can be extended. They're going to do a TAP evaluation while you're in custody. We'll see if ISF will take you or either either SATA or either felony drug court if they have room. It's completely up to you. But this is a decision that's going to impact the rest of your life. If you want a chance to speak with your attorney, you're more than welcome to do that. In your letter, you said you wanted to be extended, so it's completely up to you.
I'll go ahead and stay with what we agreed on.
All right, so you want the felony conviction. Don't say that the court didn't try to help you. All right, so the court will grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 7 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. And let me see, was there any restitution for drug testing on this? Let me check. No, there was not. All right. And there's $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
This one.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
This one.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes.
I